Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your Minna's infotainment firmware and Bluetooth support. That prevents wasted steps. Next, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone and sign into your Google account so maps can sync. Connect by USB-C if your model uses Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. This gives full Google Maps integration. Tap the car's Pair New Device option, accept the pairing request on both devices, and enter the PIN if prompted. Once connected, make sure Google Maps has permission to run in the background. Once paired, choose Android Auto or Apple CarPlay from the mini display. This routes Google Maps to the car screen. On your phone, grant Google Maps location, microphone, and background data access so voice directions and live traffic work reliably. Then set Google Maps as the default navigation app in the car's infotainment settings so voice prompts and turn-by-turn appear automatically. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Battery Saver modes are off. Those can restrict background location updates and interrupt navigation cues. You finish by testing a short route to confirm map display, voice guidance, and lane assistance are active. If audio is missing, toggle the Minna's media source, check phone volume, and verify microphone permission. Sometimes the car routes nav audio to a different channel. If Google Maps fails to load or freezes, restart both phone and infotainment and repair the devices. This clears connection handshakes. Finally, update the car firmware and Google Maps app if problems persist. Updates fix many compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.